Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be discussing is hardening off your plants. Now if you've started your seedlings indoors or in a greenhouse, just don't take them outside and hope for the best. Trust me, they're not going to like it. Today we're going to be diving into the crucial but often overlooked step in a plant success: hardening off your plants. Now this simple process could mean the difference between thriving tomatoes and sunburnt wilted disasters. Let's get on into it here. Now when we say hardening off, it is a process of gradually acclimating your indoor grown seedlings to the outdoor environment. Sort of like weaning them off. Now, you're going to be introducing them into both sun, wind, and temperature swings, even rain. Now indoors they've had it easy. Consistent light, steady warmth, no wind. Outside it's going to be a wild ride for them. Today we put our plants outside and it was kind of windy. Now today would have been the 4th day that we've started doing this here. And depending on the weather, and they're getting a lot of rain this week, we kind of picked the pace up a little bit, trying to get them a little bit further ahead in the game. We was hoping that we'd have them ready by Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know. It's just going to depend on the weather. And then, dang, they're giving cold weather coming back. Lows in the 40s at night. So I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. It was really, they're going to have to get used to the wind. Now, the first day, there's no way we would have took them out in winds like that there. But today, I think they're okay. Carolyn is up there watering them right now. But we'll continue on here. Now, folks, whatever you do, do not skip the hardening off. Your plants, they can get stressed, sun-scalded, or even stunted. And all that work you've put into them be down the drain. Trust me, there's a lot of work and effort that goes in to getting plants started like that there. And a lot of times at like a local greenhouse or something, they may not tell you about hardening off your plants. But then again, what is their business? Selling plants. So if you take those home and they die, you'll be coming back to buy some more. Now, not all places are like that. Some are. Just putting this out there. Something to think about. Alrighty. Think of it like this, folks. Hardening them off, it's like us if we're going to get a tan. The first day, you're not going to just go out there and lay out in the sun. You're going to get burned up. You got to gradually build up to it. And on these plant leaves, you can actually tell after they start getting hardened up there, the leaves, they get thicker, and also the stems. You're making them more tougher. You're building up their resistance to the different weather conditions, and you're getting them in shape. Let's say it like that there. You're basically, just like it says, you're hardening them off. You're making them harder to kill. And that's what we want. Alrighty. Now, how we do it is, now on the first day, what we'll do, we'll take them out there and let them sit for about an hour. Now, the sun don't really start hitting where they're at until about 8 a.m. Time it gets over the hill and the trees. But that's there, we generally have them out around 8 o'clock of the morning. And sometimes it'd be a little bit earlier, depending on how feeding went and everything. But a lot of you are probably wondering, last year we built that hardening table. Well, we didn't use it this year. I'm home now from work for a while anyway. And we didn't start as many plants this year as we generally do. So we used the cattle panels for over at the barn area. So we used those for something else. they've got so crazy on prices on those anymore. So we did it different. We did it like the old way, like we've always done it before. And what we'll do is, on day 2, we'll increase that by another hour. And so we're up to 2 hours now. And like I said, this is morning sun. It's not real hot. And you still want to avoid wind. Been kind of hard to do that this year. And if it's a drastic colder outside, you want to skip that there. And then time we get to day 3, we're going to be letting them sit out there for 2.5 to 3 hours, depending on the temperature. And we're going to keep increasing that by about an hour each day. And by day 5, we're up to 4 hours outside, and you're just gradually exposing them to more sun and more wind. They really got the wind out there today. The peppers, they looked a little bit ruffled up, but I didn't ask Carolyn how they're looking this evening there. They looked okay as I passed through a little bit ago. But by day 7 through 10, you're leaving them out all day long now. And by this time, they should be ready to spend the night outside. And just make sure before you leave them outside overnight that the temperatures are above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And your plants are well on their way now. You've sent them through boot camp. You've made them tough little fellers. And just remember, the common mistakes to avoid is too much sun too soon. You'll get sunburnt leaves. If you get them outside too soon with the wind, you'll have broken stems. And whatever you do, don't forget them outside out there, and a little bit later say, oh no, the plants. And there's a good chance they've done went into shock or got burnt. They're like your little youngins. You're taking them to school, and you're their parents. Now, folks, a lot of you out there probably, I'm sure yous do, know all about this part here, the hardening off. I'm just trying to help the ones that is new to gardening, that has never done it before, and hopefully they'll have success at it and continue on, because I know it's awful disheartening if you are trying something like this here and you fail. You'll say, well, ain't no sense in me doing this here. This is just trying to help folks out. And if you got any kind of questions at all, leave them in the comments. And if we don't know the answer, we'll try to find the right answer for you. And folks, I hope you all have a blessed week. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. I don't know yet what we're having Wednesday. Hopefully it'll be good. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Home and Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At home and Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.